Well, it's lunchtime and I'm depressed. Have a look at this weather. It's hideous. It's just raining and raining and raining. It's Friday morning. Kids have gone. Yuko's up and about again today, which is excellent. So the kids have gone off. Casey's gone to mum and dad's. Cody's gone to school. I did have a shoot at 10 a.m, but that's been postponed. Seems to be the way this week. Did end up getting a boat shoot in yesterday afternoon, which was very cool, as you saw if you watched yesterday's vlog. So I'll need to get into some editing there. It's hard to escape it, but I try really hard not to start the day doing admin stuff. Sometimes you can't escape it. Today's been one of those days. Had a few things to do, a few little shoots to edit. So that's the way it goes. So it's now 9 o'clock. As I said, the 10 o'clock session's been postponed to Monday. So I've got kind of a free day, but I think it's raining outside. So admin. It's Friday morning and I'm kind of liking the look of this camera. I need to update, and I talked about it yesterday, but I can't keep using the phone all the time. I don't think the quality's there, particularly now that I've gone to YouTube. The expectation of quality is much higher than certainly on Facebook, I think. So this camera certainly delivers that quality to some degree, I think. The only downfall of this camera is probably the audio. I'm not sure if I'm all that thrilled with the audio, but I don't know, there's options out there that I can look at. So anyway, in the meantime, I kind of like this look. I like the colour toning and all that sort of stuff, and I certainly like the quality. So excellent. So Friday, it stopped raining, so I might even go and have a look outside and see what's going on. Well, it's lunchtime and I'm depressed. Have a look at this weather. It's hideous. It's just raining and raining and raining. So it means no beach, no drones, none of the good stuff that I always get to play with every day. So I've been editing and working and emails and all the office stuff, and the office stuff drives me insane, but you've got to do it. But I want to get outside, but I can't. What can you do? Good to see the lovely wife up off her deathbed. She's feeling better, a little bit. But she's up and about. She's eating, so that's a good thing. Braving the elements. I've got to go and get Casey who am I getting? Cody from school. Better not make that mistake. End up at kindergarten and he's not there. So Cody from school. Lovely wife is still feeling a little bit better, but still not 100%. So let's go and do the right thing. That's what I'm doing. One of the things, it's nice to be outside today, even if I'm only in the car, but the rain stopped, and what happens on days like today on the Gold Coast is that it stops raining, clouds lift a little bit, and you can sometimes get some amazing sunsets, so I'm going to keep my eye on that because it could be really cool. Gladys might be able to earn some money for me today, which would be nice.
Get up, man. Just by the corner street, I see a man.
Hey, I learned temperature.
Good. At least you learned something.
And I learned door.
You're not still on about door, are you? We are completely surrounded by traffic, cars everywhere. It's 4 o'clock and people are going home. It's a weekend, which is always good. Cody Meister and I, he's off to Japanese
Tomorrow's
school.
Saturday.
Tomorrow's Saturday, you're right. So it's actually stopped raining, which is kind of nice. So drop off the little bloke, then I'll pick up the other bloke from Mum and Dad's.
And the next day after Saturday is Sunday.
Woohoo!
And
It's
then the next
weekend.
day is Monday.
Yay! It's very dark and it's very grey, but I'm thinking about throwing Gladys up anyway, just to get some dark, moody, black and white shots. Maybe might be cool. So I'm heading towards Isla Capri. So there's a little spot off the end of Isla Capri, just near surface, that I might go and hang out at. That might be cool. Very short flight because it's now raining, but yeah, got some good snaps of surface then. It was pretty good. I'm right near the edge of the Isle of Capri bridge on the Moraine River, so it's not a bad view from here. It's pretty good.
In the misty morning, on the edge of time, we've lost the rising sun, a final sign.
Sun's nearly gone. That's about it for today, I think. Got to go pick up the little bloke now from Mum and Dad's, and that's about it. Go home, have some dinner. Probably some game of footy on tonight, which I'll probably have a look at.